What if the very thing you believe will make a man miss you is actually the reason he slowly stops thinking about you? Most people assume that the more attention they give, the more love they receive. They believe that replying instantly, always being available, constantly checking in, explaining every emotion, and trying to prove their value will create a deeper emotional bond. It sounds logical, it even feels caring, but human psychology often works in the opposite direction. When someone never has the chance to wonder where you are, what you're doing, or whether you're thinking about them, their mind has very little reason to keep returning to you. Emotional attachment isn't built through constant availability. It grows in the moments when your absence creates curiosity, when your silence leaves unanswered questions, and when your life continues with confidence instead of dependence. This doesn't mean playing childish games or pretending not to care. It means understanding a simple psychological truth. People naturally place greater value on what cannot be emotionally controlled. The more you chase someone's attention, the less space you leave for them to chase your presence. Throughout this video, you'll discover 7 powerful skills that create genuine emotional impact, not through manipulation, but through confidence, self-respect, and emotional intelligence. These principles aren't about making someone suffer or forcing them to miss you. They're about becoming the kind of woman whose presence leaves a lasting impression because she never abandons her own sense of worth. The deepest longing is never created by desperation. It begins the moment someone realizes that your attention is a privilege, not a guarantee. People rarely value what is always emotionally available. True longing begins when your presence is no longer guaranteed. One of the biggest misconceptions about attraction is the belief that being constantly available will make someone appreciate you more. It feels natural to answer every message immediately, always make time for him, and never let a conversation end. Many people believe this proves loyalty and affection. But when someone always knows they can reach you whenever they want, your presence slowly becomes expected instead of appreciated. Human psychology responds differently to certainty than most people realize. The mind pays closer attention to what it fears losing than to what it already possesses. When your attention is always available, there is little reason for him to reflect on your value. But when your life remains full, your time becomes limited, and your emotional energy is no longer given away without thought, something begins to change. He starts noticing the space you leave behind. Emotional absence is not about ignoring someone, creating unnecessary distance, or playing manipulative games. It is about living a life that doesn't revolve around another person's approval. You have your own goals, passions, friendships, and peace of mind. Your happiness is not dependent on whether he texts first or remembers to call. That quiet independence is what makes your presence feel meaningful rather than predictable. The people who leave the deepest emotional impression are rarely the ones who demand attention. They are the ones who naturally create curiosity because their lives continue with confidence, whether someone is watching or not. When your presence is no longer guaranteed, your value becomes easier to recognize. Sometimes the strongest feeling of missing someone begins not because they disappeared, but because they stopped making themselves constantly available. When someone receives endless reassurance, emotional curiosity disappears. The mind becomes attached to what it must earn. One of the fastest ways to weaken emotional attraction is by making someone feel that your approval will always be there, no matter how little effort they invest. Many women believe that constant compliments, endless reassurance, and always proving their feelings will make a man feel more secure. In reality, it often creates the opposite effect. When validation becomes unlimited, it loses its emotional value. Human nature is wired to appreciate what carries meaning. If every achievement is praised, every mistake is excused, and every moment is met with reassurance, there is no challenge left for the mind to engage with. Emotional curiosity slowly fades because nothing feels uncertain anymore. He never has to wonder how you truly feel, whether he has impressed you or if he has earned a special place in your life. Everything is handed to him before he has the opportunity to invest. This doesn't mean becoming cold, distant, or withholding genuine appreciation. It means allowing your admiration to be authentic instead of automatic. Let your words reflect real actions, not emotional habit. A sincere compliment carries far more weight when it is deserved than when it is expected. A woman who values herself does not spend her time convincing someone of his importance. She allows his character, consistency, and effort to reveal whether he deserves her emotional investment. This quiet confidence naturally shifts the dynamic. Instead of constantly seeking to keep his attention, she inspires him to earn hers. The strongest emotional bonds are built on mutual effort, not one-sided reassurance. When your approval becomes something meaningful rather than guaranteed, he begins to value it differently. The human mind rarely becomes attached to what is freely given without limit. It becomes emotionally invested in what requires sincerity, consistency, and genuine effort to receive. Predictability creates comfort. Mystery creates emotional investment. Many people believe that to build a lasting connection, they must become completely predictable. They share every thought, explain every feeling, reveal every plan, and make sure there are no unanswered questions. While honesty is essential in any healthy relationship, complete predictability often removes one powerful element that keeps attraction alive: curiosity. The human mind is naturally drawn to what it cannot fully understand. We spend far more time thinking about people who surprise us than those whose every move can be predicted. This doesn't mean creating drama, sending mixed signals, or playing emotional games. It means allowing parts of your personality, ambitions, and inner world to unfold naturally, instead of revealing everything at once. A woman with emotional depth doesn't feel the need to explain every silence or justify every decision. She has hobbies that don't involve him, dreams she continues to pursue, and moments she enjoys without needing to broadcast them. She isn't mysterious because she's hiding something. She's intriguing because her entire identity isn't placed on display for constant approval. When every conversation feels the same and every reaction becomes expected, emotional excitement slowly fades. But when your responses are guided by confidence instead of habit, you become impossible to reduce to a simple pattern. Sometimes you're playful, sometimes thoughtful, sometimes focused on your own goals. Every interaction feels genuine because it reflects your real emotions rather than an attempt to please. People become emotionally invested in those who continue to reveal new layers over time. The goal isn't to make someone confused, it's to make them curious. Curiosity keeps the mind engaged long after the conversation ends. The women who leave the deepest emotional impression aren't those who constantly seek attention. They are the ones whose confidence, independence, and quiet mystery inspire a man to keep wondering what makes them so different. And that unanswered curiosity is often the beginning of genuine emotional longing. Nothing increases attraction more than seeing someone fulfilled without needing your attention. One of the quietest mistakes people make in relationships is allowing their entire world to revolve around one person. Their schedule begins to depend on his availability. Their mood changes with every message he sends or doesn't send. Their goals slowly fade into the background, while keeping his attention becomes the center of their daily life. At first, this may seem like love, but over time, it often creates emotional dependence instead of genuine attraction. The strongest relationships are built between two complete individuals, not one person carrying the emotional weight of both. A woman who continues to grow, learn, and pursue her own passions naturally becomes more attractive because her happiness isn't borrowed from someone else's approval. She has dreams that excite her, friendships that matter, and a purpose that continues whether he's present or not. This kind of independence doesn't push people away. It creates respect. When a man sees that your life is already meaningful, he realizes your attention is something valuable, not something automatically available. Your time becomes precious because it is shared by choice, not by necessity. That subtle difference changes the emotional dynamic completely. Instead of asking yourself how to keep him interested, ask a more powerful question. How can I become so fulfilled that my happiness no longer depends on anyone else's validation? Ironically, this is often the moment people begin appreciating your presence the most. Confidence is attractive because it communicates abundance rather than need. When you continue investing in your career, your health, your passions, and your personal growth, you create a life that naturally radiates energy and purpose. People are drawn to those who have direction because they sense authenticity. They aren't chasing attention, they're building a meaningful life. The people who are remembered long after they leave are rarely the ones who sacrificed everything for someone else's approval. They are the ones who inspired admiration simply by living fully. A woman who values her own journey becomes unforgettable because her presence feels like an addition to someone's life, never a dependency. And that quiet confidence is what makes a man realize he doesn't just enjoy your company, he genuinely fears losing it. Silence creates space for imagination. People remember conversations they never got to finish. One of the most underrated forms of emotional influence is knowing when not to speak. Many people believe that the more they explain, the more they text, and the more they share, the stronger the connection will become. They feel pressured to fill every silence with another message, another story, or another explanation. But in doing so, they often remove the very thing that keeps someone's mind engaged: space to wonder. The human mind is naturally curious. When every thought is immediately expressed and every emotion is fully explained, there is little left for the imagination to explore. But when your words are intentional, thoughtful, and never excessive, they begin to carry greater emotional weight. A single meaningful conversation can stay in someone's mind far longer than hours of constant texting. This doesn't mean becoming silent to punish someone or withholding communication to gain control. It means understanding that confidence doesn't need to speak all the time. A woman who is secure in herself doesn't feel the need to justify every feeling, defend every decision, or constantly seek reassurance. She knows that silence can communicate calmness, self-respect, and emotional maturity more powerfully than endless explanations ever could. Have you ever noticed how certain conversations stay with you for days? Not because everything was said, but because something meaningful was left unsaid. The mind naturally returns to unfinished moments, replaying them over and over, searching for meaning. That is why mystery often lingers longer than certainty. When you choose your words carefully, people begin listening more closely. They stop taking your attention for granted because every conversation feels intentional instead of routine. Your presence becomes memorable, not because you speak the most, but because what you say genuinely matters. The people who leave the deepest emotional impression are rarely the loudest voices in the room. They are the ones whose calm confidence, thoughtful silence, and meaningful words create an impact long after the conversation has ended. Sometimes the strongest reason a man keeps thinking about you isn't what you said, it's what your silence quietly inspired him to feel. 2330. Skill number 6. Leave emotional imprints instead of constant contact. Psychological principle. The strongest memories are emotional experiences, not endless conversations. One of the greatest myths about making someone miss you is believing that constant communication creates the deepest connection. Many people think that if they text all day, call every night, and stay connected every waking moment, they will become impossible to forget. But psychology suggests something very different. People rarely remember how many messages they exchanged. They remember how someone made them feel. Think back to the people who have stayed in your memory for years. Chances are, it isn't because you spoke to them every single day. It's because they created a moment that touched you emotionally. Perhaps they made you laugh when you needed it most, challenged the way you saw yourself, inspired confidence, or simply made you feel understood. Those emotional experiences become permanent imprints on the mind, while ordinary conversations slowly disappear. A woman who leaves an emotional imprint doesn't measure a relationship by the number of texts she receives. She focuses on creating genuine moments of connection. When she speaks, she is fully present. When she listens, she makes the other person feel heard. When they spend time together, the experience feels meaningful rather than routine. These moments create emotions that continue long after the conversation has ended. This is why quality will always be more powerful than quantity. A single, unforgettable evening filled with laughter, honesty, and positive emotion can remain in someone's memory far longer than months of repetitive messages saying the same things. The human mind naturally holds on to experiences that evoke strong emotion, because emotion gives memory its lasting power. Instead of asking yourself, how can I stay in his mind every hour? Ask a better question. How can I create moments that he will replay in his mind long after we're apart? That shift changes everything. You stop chasing constant attention and start building meaningful experiences. The people who become unforgettable are not those who demand the most time. They are the ones who leave behind emotions that cannot easily be replaced. Long after the messages have been deleted and the conversations have faded, those emotional imprints remain. And when a man finds himself smiling at a memory you created together without even realizing it, that is the moment he truly begins to miss you. People don't spend years thinking about the person who gave them the most attention. They remember the one who quietly changed how they felt. If there is one lesson that brings together everything you've learned in this video, it is this. The deepest emotional attraction is never created by trying to become unforgettable. It happens when you become so grounded in your own value that you no longer feel the need to convince anyone to stay. Many people spend months trying to understand how to make someone think about them. They analyze every message, every conversation, and every silence, hoping to discover the perfect formula. But the truth is far simpler. Human beings rarely become emotionally attached because someone was always available, always predictable, or always trying to impress them. They become attached because someone made them experience emotions they cannot easily explain. There is something unforgettable about a woman who carries quiet confidence. She doesn't reveal everything about herself at once. She continues to grow, chase her dreams, and protect her peace. She listens more than she speaks. She values her time and doesn't hand out her attention simply to avoid being forgotten. Her mystery isn't created through manipulation. It comes from having a rich inner life that doesn't depend on another person's approval. This kind of woman cannot be fully understood in a single conversation or even a single relationship. Every time someone believes they have figured her out, they discover another layer of wisdom, strength, or kindness. That sense of discovery keeps the mind engaged because people are naturally fascinated by what continues to surprise them. When she walks away from a conversation, she leaves behind more than words. She leaves behind a feeling, a sense of calm, a spark of inspiration, a memory that quietly returns during ordinary moments. Long after the messages have been forgotten, that emotional impression remains. This doesn't mean becoming emotionally unavailable or pretending not to care. Real confidence doesn't hide affection. It simply refuses to sacrifice self-respect in exchange for attention. The strongest connections are built when two people freely choose each other, not when one person constantly seeks validation from the other. So if you truly want a man to miss you deeply, stop asking how to occupy his thoughts every hour. Instead, become the kind of woman whose presence naturally transforms the way he feels whenever you're together. Because people eventually forget words, routines, and daily conversations. But they rarely forget the person who made them feel more alive, more understood, and more inspired than anyone else. In the end, the woman a man misses the most isn't the one who chased him the hardest. She is the one who valued herself enough to never lose her identity for love. And that quiet strength becomes the memory he carries long after the moment has passed.